If you ever wanted to get a free funded account and then use for your trading practices and then other sort of things like testing out your new strategies or back testing or doing whatever it is that you want, then in today's video I'm going to help you with that and then have you get a free $10,000 funded account and then use for your practice only. And please do your own research about the platform first before you try to do something about it. And also make sure that you don't put your real money into this platform, as I myself I'm not even sure that they are fully legit because they are new. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go ahead and then show you how everything is going to be done. So first of all, you can check the video description or the pinned comment section. You'll find the link to the platform over there. That's what you are going to be using to get the free 10,000 funded account. But first, make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the very end to know how you can be able to get that successfully. So let me open our browser, and this can be any kind of browser at all. It can either be Firefox or whatever browser that you use. So when you use the link in the video description or the pinned comment section, we are going to be directed to this page over here, which you see complete your order, 2-step, and then the account type, which is standard, and then the account size, which is 10k, and then a coupon code of free 100 automatically applied. So if you use the link in the description or the pinned comment section, you are going to get this coupon code applied to the purchase page automatically. So you can see right now, instead of paying $110, you are going to be paying $0. So once you get on this page, all that you just have to do is to click on the continue button over here, and then it will take you to this page over here for you to fill in extra details like your full name, which I'm going to be taking some time to complete over here and then get back to you guys. And then you enter your country, your billing address, your zip code, and then once you are done filling in everything, click on the get free challenge button over here, and then that is going to load another page with another successful message for you to say your account number, the trading password, and then other details for you to use for the prop firm trading. So I hope this video helps you a lot, and then help you also secure a free funded account to use for your testing purposes. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like it and then subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful. And then if you face any kind of issues, please don't hesitate to write it down in the comment section, as I will be doing my possible best to attend to each and every single one of them. Thanks for watching again. Have a nice day. Peace.